Ladies and gentlemen, the cow does not come here tonight to judge, but to judge. Dear guests, his accusation and his testimony. I indict Spanish and Pimentel for inventing taxes impossible to pay. I indict the usurer for standing in the debt impossible to pay. I indict the irresponsible Bronze leader who undermined the institutions and affairs the confidence of my country in the government. You accuse me of not supporting my family, freeing from bondage and now shall prove it. You accuse me of ignorance, but I am ignorant, not because I am stolen, but because I am born. You accuse me of indolence, but I am indolent. Because my master's mind is available to give me indolence. Why should I labor? If all the fruits of my labor go to great and unpayable debt, free me from bondage, and I shall prove you false. Give me land, land to own, land that will be beholden to any tyrant, land that will be free. Give me land where I am serving. Give me land that my children may not die. Sell it to me at a fair price, as one free man sells to another, and not as a usurer sells to a free. I am poor, but I will pay for it. I will work until I fall short of my work. And my privilege, and my inalienable right to be free. But if you will not grant me this last request, this ultimate demand, then build the wall around your house. Build it high, build it strong, and place the sentry on every part of it. For I, who have been silent these 300 years, will come to you in the night when you are feasting with my cry and my hope, my children. And may God